Alright, hello, welcome back. This is a tutorial on transitions, and this transition we will call the Trippy transition. So if you take a look, alright, so we've got kind of some funkiness going on here, and you might need to do this in some kind of, I don't know if you're looking for that kind of trippy, weird transition. But okay, let's see what we've got. So first off, this is clip A. All of this, I've just pre-cut it here. There's a dissolve happening here. On top of this pre-cut A section, we have a wave warp and we have an invert. Okay. We also have it set to hue. Good to know. And on the B side, we have the same thing, a pre-cut, an additive dissolve. We also have a wave warp and an invert. All right, so let's go through this all and let's begin to build it from scratch. So I'm just going to take off the wave warp, the invert, and just to show you all, make that one clip, take that off, there, and there. Okay, so nothing on this one, nothing on this one. All right, so here we go. Let's start at the cut. So here we have these guys and then this clip. All right, so first step, step one, we want to pre-cut clip A and pre-cut clip B. So let's go 10 frames to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And using my razor blade, we cut. Let's go to the middle cut again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's pre-cut. All right, so we have the pre-cut A, the pre-cut B. And we'll call this just normal clip A, normal clip B. All right, so what we want to do then is go to our effects and type in wave warp. We've worked with this before, and I'll get my selection tool, highlight pre-cut A, put it wave warp on this pre-cut A. Now, what should we do? Let's set the pinning to all edges. Let's put the wave height to 140, and again you can change these. Wave width to 660. Let's put the speed to 2.3. Let's check this out. Yeah, okay, nice trippy wave thing going on there. And again, you can adjust this. Okay, now let's put in invert. And let's take not the audio effects, we want the channel invert. And that's a little funky. So instead of the RGB, set the channel to hue. Now, the beginning of this clip, let's set the first keyframe to blend with at 100%. And then at the end, I'm using up here, not here, so it doesn't jump too much. Right there, I'll put the blend width to 0. Then we got these trippy colors going on. All right, so basically, we just want to do the same thing to the other clip. So I'm going to highlight my wave warp, Command C for copy, or right click and copy. Click on my pre-cut B, right click and paste, or Command V, and right away we have our wave thing happening there. Okay, cool. Now, let's take the invert. We had set keyframes, and they're going to be a different value, so we can't just copy and paste this time. Let's take the channel invert, place it there. All right, pretty trippy. Oops, I think I did something there. All right, channel invert. There we go. Okay. Now, put that to hue. There, we got those crazy colors. So on this one, we want to set a keyframe at blend width, and then make this to 100%. I'm betting I didn't. Did I do the hue correctly? Yeah, I did. Okay, so it goes from 0, and then gets normal, and there we go. But it might pop a little bit after that warp or the hue. So this is where you want to add out the dissolve. So I'll just type in dissolve. You can try and add it to dissolve as well, but I find that just a cross dissolve will help smooth out that transition. I just needed to put it right over the middle and right here, and I'll take that cross dissolve, place it on the middle, make it as small as I can, and place it just over the cut. There we go. All right, and that is transition number 2, which we will call a trippy transition. So you can make this longer or shorter, or basically add into it, but as long as you get a handle on the effects and how it's built. All right, end recording.